If you're considering buying SEMrush, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before you commit. In this video, we'll go through 7 key things that can help you decide if it's the right tool for your business. Whether you're looking to improve your SEO, streamline your marketing campaigns, or dive deep into competitor analysis, you'll want to stick around for the full breakdown. Before we dive into the specifics, I've got a great offer for you. You can try SEMrush completely for free, and you'll get the best deal available by clicking the first link in the description below. But now, let's get into the 7 things you need to know. First things first, SEMrush isn't just a simple SEO tool. While it's widely known for its powerful keyword research and backlink analysis, it also offers a complete suite of digital marketing tools. Compared to competitors like Ahrefs and Moz, SEMrush brings in-depth competitive analysis, which can help you understand not only what's working for your business, but also what your competitors are doing. This kind of insight is crucial in today's highly competitive online market. Next thing, you're probably wondering about the pricing. SEMrush isn't the cheapest option out there, but here's why it's worth considering. SEMrush offers a ton of value for the price. If you're serious about SEO and digital marketing, the features you get with SEMrush could easily justify the price tag, especially when you compare it to other tools like SpyFu or Ubersuggest. If you're new to SEMrush, you can get started with a free trial, which I highly recommend so you can explore all the features before committing. The third thing, if you're planning on using SEMrush for backlink research, it's one of the best tools on the market. Backlink analysis is essential for improving SEO rankings, and SEMrush provides a detailed view of your own backlinks, as well as your competitors' backlinks. In comparison, while Ahrefs also offers strong backlink tools, SEMrush makes it easy to monitor backlink growth and identify opportunities to outrank your competitors. The fourth thing, the keyword research tools are incredibly comprehensive. SEMrush's keyword database is massive, and it provides a lot more than just volume and difficulty scores. You can get competitive keyword analysis, understand the search intent behind certain queries, and track keyword rankings over time. This level of detail, especially when compared to other keyword tools, gives you the upper hand in optimizing your content strategy. Now, the fifth thing, if you're looking for a tool that helps with content marketing, SEMrush has you covered. The Content Marketing Toolkit offers a variety of features that allow you to brainstorm, optimize, and track your content's performance. This is something that sets SEMrush apart from basic SEO tools, as it's designed to support your entire content strategy, from ideation to execution. The sixth thing, the user interface. While SEMrush is packed with features, some new users may find the interface a little overwhelming. Compared to simpler tools like Google Search Console or even Ubersuggest, SEMrush requires a bit of a learning curve. However, once you get the hang of it, the interface is intuitive and the tools are powerful. There's a solid community of users and plenty of tutorials, so you won't be left in the dark. And the seventh and final thing, if you're looking for local SEO tools, SEMrush excels in this area too. Their local SEO toolkit helps you optimize your local listings, monitor rankings for local keywords, and keep tabs on your local competition. Compared to competitors like BrightLocal, SEMrush is a solid all-in-one option for both local and global SEO efforts. So, to wrap it up, SEMrush is one of the most feature-packed SEO tools on the market, offering comprehensive solutions for keyword research, backlink analysis, content marketing, and more. If you're ready to dive into the world of SEO with a tool that offers both depth and ease of use, then SEMrush is definitely worth considering. If you want to try SEMrush for yourself and take advantage of the best deal available, be sure to click the first link in the description. You'll also get exclusive benefits to help you get the most out of the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.